They say magic is everything, but what happens when the boy with no magic shouts, "I'll become the Wizard King"? That's the fire of Black Clover. A story where destiny bends not to power, but to pure, unstoppable will. Welcome back to Screen Explain TV, the home for anime lovers and story seekers who crave action, mystery, and twist you can't predict. Today we are unlocking the spells, battles, and the future of Black Clover, a series that proves courage can roar louder than magic itself. From the very first moment we meet Asta and Yuno, the series sets the stage for a rivalry written in the stars. Yuno, blessed with unmatched magical talent, calm like the wind that carries him forward, and Asta's cursed with no magic at all, yet swinging the Demon Slayer sword with a voice that could shake the kingdoms. The promise to reach the top isn't just a dream, it's a heartbeat of this entire saga. Fans will echo lines like Asta's unshakable "Wow, my magic is never giving up." It's more than a catchphrase, it's the soul of the Black Clover. Every time the odds stacks against him, every time despair creeps in, Astas reminds us that strength isn't the glamour, it's the grit. But what keeps the story electric are the unexpected turnovers, the truth of the elves, the rise of the Eye of the Midnight Sun, and the revelation that Devils pulls the string from the shadows. Each arc flips the board, leaving fans gasping, cheering, and questioning their favorite moments online. And just when we thought the battles couldn't get any higher, the Spade Kingdom arc unleashed some of the most jaw-dropping fights in modern shonen. Now the buzz grows even louder with the upcoming continuation after the Sword of the Wizard King movie. Rumors swirl about what's next. Will Asta's anti-magic finally face its true limits? Will Yuno's royal bloodline reshape his path to the throne? And can the Clover Kingdom survive the devils that lurk beyond even Lucius' plans? One thing's for sure, the road to becoming Wizard's King is paved with betrayals, miracles, and sacrifices that no spell can erase. What makes Black Clover so addictive is the rhythm of its world. Squad bonds in the Black Bulls, filled with chaos, comedy, and the heart. The Magic Knight captains clashing in pride and strategy. And of course, the battles where every scream, every spell, and every clash of blades feels like it could rewrite destiny itself. And here's the real spark. Astas versus Yuno isn't about tearing each other down. It's about pushing each other higher. A rivalry built not on hate, but on shared dream. That's why fans don't just watch Black Clover, they live it. So let's end with a question. When the final page of this grimoire is written, who do you believe will truly claim the title of Wizard King? The boy with all the magic or the boy with none? Or could this story surprise us with a twist nobody sees coming? Thanks for watching Screen Explain TV, and if you felt the magic in today's breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell icon for more anime deep dives. And now it's your turn. Do you think destiny already chooses its Wizard King, or will Asta break every rule of magic and rewrite it himself? Drop your answers below, because this story isn't just writing grimoires. It's writing by fans like you.